Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about discretization and binarization topic in data mining subject. In this video, you are going to learn definition of the discretization and binarization, say example on discretization and binarization, hierarchy generation of data discretization concept, binarization. Now, discretization is used to transform the attributes that are in continuous format. So in this sentence, I want to discuss one word, that is attributes. So why? Because discretization and binarization depends on attributes word. Here I want to discuss one word, that is attribute. Attribute is a property of an entity. For example, student is one entity. In that, hall ticket number, name of the student, branch, year, section and address. These are the attributes. So hope we understand the word about attribute, right? Now, data discretization converts a large number of data values into smaller ones, so that data evaluation and data management becomes very easy. To better understanding about this data discretization, I have one example. By using this example, you can understand the concept of discretization and binarization. Now, example. Now see, data discretization example. So we have an attribute of age with the following values. Age starts from 10, 11, 13 up to 75. Table before discretization. So based on the attributes, I divided into 3 attributes, that is age 1, age 2, age 3. In the age 1, so I given 10 to 19. In the age 2 attribute, so I given 30 to 45. In the age 3, 70 to 75. So these are the before discretization. So after discretization, so in between age 10 to 19, so I given the word as young. In between age 30 to 45, so I given mature. In between age 70 to 75, I given the word old. So if we want to identify the age group in between 10 to 95, we can call it as young, right? So on. So instead of large amount of values, that is 10 to 19, so consider as young students. So in these cases, which one is better? See, if you want retrieve one value, so based on the age 1 or age 2, age 3. So if it is 100 records in the table, we cannot get any problem. Simply we can retrieve the record by using simple queries. So assume that there are some crores of records are available in the database table. In that cases, so retrieval of record take time taking process. That's the reason data discretization. Now see the definition. Discretization is used to transform the attributes that are in continuous format. Data discretization converts a large number of data values into smaller ones. So obviously we have to convert these large number of values into smaller ones. So for retrieving a smaller values is better than larger numbers. That's the reason data discretization is really useful in data mining. Next one is hierarchy generation, data discretization and concept. So a concept hierarchy represents a sequence of mappings with a set of more general concepts to specialized concepts. Similarly, mapping from a low level concepts to higher level concepts. In other words, we can say top down mapping and bottom up mapping. So in the data discretization, so hierarchy generation and concepts. So let's see an example to understand about hierarchy generation of a concept hierarchy for the dimension location. So here I want to discuss about dimension location. So how we are going to retrieve the records from top to bottom and bottom to top. Each city can be mapped with the country with which the given city belongings. Now see one example. Delhi can be mapped to India, right? I'm talking about India. Delhi can be mapped to India and India can be mapped to Asia, right? So now see the graphical representation of top-down and bottom-up approach, or else hierarchy. Now, top-down mapping. Top-down mapping starts from top with general concepts and move to the bottom, to the specialized concept. Same way, bottom-up mapping. Bottom-up mapping starts from bottom with specialized concepts and move to the top to the generalized concepts. Now see example, concept hierarchy generation. See here I given general, region, country, city, college. Suppose if you want to find out the college of MLRITM. So here, see if it is a top to bottom, so in the general all. So here I given Asia, Asia to India, India to Delhi, Delhi to MLRITM. Same way, all, Europe, you can find the Canada in Europe. At the same time, Toronto in Canada, University of Toronto is in Toronto city, right? Same way, MLRITM college is available in some place which is available in India. So capital of India is Delhi. So we can find the Delhi city in India. So we can find the India in region, right? So like that, we can give the concept of hierarchy generation. The last one is binarization. So binarization is used to transform both the discrete attributes and the continuous attributes into binary attributes in data mining. So hope you understand the concept of discretization and binarization. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.